Hi guys, hello once again. So here I am going to play another game because my internet connection earlier had just disconnected. I am just disconnected due to bad internet connection. So here I'm going to play again D4. Okay. So in playing D4, as I have told earlier, I am comfortable with playing D4 because it gives me a lot of chances, especially positional chances. I am the kind of player in which I am satisfied with small advantages, and later on I'll just convert it in order to become a big advantage later on. So my idea here is just to develop pieces as much as possible because it's already uh, the game has just been in the opening. Okay. In opening, the most important factor is that you can be able to develop all of your pieces towards the center. At the same time, you have a good position or control the center. Because if you can do that, then you will have the advantage. Okay. So before opening the position. So I think I am going to play with e4 with the tempo at the same time opening my bishop. Two pairs of bishop. Okay, e5 is very strong move. It's because it allows my bishop there to counter. I can already harass him with moves like that. Okay, so I am already threatening. Hmm. So since he declined, I am going to play that move. Going to capture the bishop and to capture the bishop, then he will be going to he will be mated here in h6. Okay. Because of this e-pawn, it gives me the leverage to attack his king side. So as much as possible, I will bring more pieces towards the king side. His queen is underdeveloped. It's because this queen cannot help this attack king. So if I will be given a chances, I am going to sacrifice pieces in order to to destroy his position. Hmm. This bishop is very strong. Okay. Hmm. So here's the advantage here. But if I am going to capture, move here, capture. Okay, I'll just go with my instinct. That move is a strong move. It's because if going to capture this pawn, I am threatening already mate. Okay, so as much as possible, he will counter to play here. Or just play here. Then if going to capture queen, I will go and capture with that bishop. And I think I am advantage here because I have already a e4 at the same time. I will not give him a chance. I am already threatening. H5. I am already threatening f5. I will just threat that. So I think I just win the game. I'm going to capture this pawn, this pawn, pawn. Think tack, tick tack, tack, tack. I'll just create tactics as much as possible. I think his position is already helpless. Okay. The question is how you're going to defend that position. Can he actually defend that position? That's the main question. I think he cannot defend that position anymore. I am going for a mate. And he cannot do a thing about it. What a move. You see? Okay. What a move. So, once again, thank you very much for watching my video. This video was only intended for beginners just like me, because I'm just a beginner in chess. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you click subscribe the subscribe button below. And thank you very much, and have a good day.